It's been over 4 decades since the name Carey Brothers became synonymous with high-end remodeling in the Bay Area. A lot has happened since we first put pencil to paper to create our first design and stood back to admire our first completed project. In our 40-plus years as professional remodeling contractors in the Bay Area, we've learned that there is simply no substitute for good and thorough planning. It creates the space for you to make thoughtful and informed decisions about your remodeling project without being rushed. Our step-by-step project planning and design process helps us to clearly define your goals and expectations, which gives us what we need to develop working drawings and an amazingly detailed cost estimate. Our goal is to stay in budget, on schedule, and avoid unnecessary change orders. It's simple. Thorough planning prevents chaos, ensures splendid results, and makes for a happy customer. What could be better? Our process begins with a discussion with one of our project design specialists to develop a clear understanding of your needs and budget, which are essential to effectively create a design solution and cost estimate that will best achieve your remodeling goals. When you're ready to explore possibilities, your project design specialist will provide you with our project planning and design agreement. We'll gather detailed site measurements, photographs of your existing space, and when necessary, work with local planning and building officials to make sure that nothing gets between you and your dream. Our site measurements and photographs will be used to produce as-built drawings, which will assist us in creating one or more conceptual design solutions. Our design and project planning process provides us with an excellent opportunity to establish a solid working relationship without prematurely obligating you to a construction contract. Once the conceptual design for your project is complete, we'll collaborate with you to fine-tune your design and make any necessary adjustments. From there, we'll create your final design, which includes a scaled floor plan, scope of work, project specifications and finishes, elevations, perspectives, and a plot plan for additions. We'll also create an electrical plan, show plumbing and mechanical locations, cabinetry, and we'll even create a 3D virtual model which will allow you to walk through your new space before the first nail is ever driven. With the final design in hand, we'll be able to generate a comprehensive computerized estimate which will detail all costs associated with your project. We'll do our best to be thorough and include as much detail as possible to prevent unnecessary change orders, cost overages, and project delays. If we're on the right track but not right on the money, we'll work with you to further define our design and modify our estimate accordingly. Now that there's nothing between us and your dream project, we'll present you with our fixed price construction agreement, which includes firm start and finish dates, a progress payment schedule, and all other details that will make for a smooth and exciting experience. Just as soon as the ink is dry, we'll introduce you to our award-winning production management team, who will provide you with a detailed job schedule, identify temporary protection locations, tool and material storage, and answer any questions that you may have regarding the construction process. It's said that the devil is in the detail, and we couldn't agree more. Our highly skilled craftspeople and specialty artisans will work their magic to guarantee that your dream project is everything you envision and more. With all your finished selections confirmed, we'll roll up our sleeves and get to work ordering all the materials to be integrated into your project. We'll begin work on site once all materials have been delivered. This "don't put the cart before the horse" policy helps us complete your project in the timeliest fashion possible and minimizes inconvenience to you and your family. And remember, Just because your project's complete doesn't mean our job is done. We'll continue to protect your investment and our installed product with our extraordinary 5-year written guarantee. We like to think that our commitment to quality and our personal integrity will come shining through to you before, during, and after we've completed your project. You can book a consultation with one of our talented design specialists at our website at careybros.com or give us a call at 877-734-6404.